Hi, this is Sot at Johnson RV, home of the premium pre-owned motorhomes. Today I will be showing you the 2014 Leisure Travel 24 TB. It's on the 3.0 liter V6 Mercedes engine, so it's a proven engine. 25 feet long from end to end. The wheelbase is 170 inches. So it's a short motorhome. It's going to give you a lot of room on the inside as well. Follow me this way. You have the powered awning from front to rear. Frameless windows that'll open up like a canopy, so you can open up during the rainy season without having rain going inside. You'll have pocket storage throughout. There's one little one. This one has a side cameras as well. When you toggle each side, it'll display the pictures on each side, so that way you can take lanes with confidence. This is your refrigerator exhaust here. Outside on this side here is a 110. You can hook up a electric grill, TV, or radio on the outside to entertain. I'll show you this area. Notice that the storage has that curve on it, so that way when rain gets on here, it will channel down and away from going inside. Over here, you have a pass-through storage. Amazing amount of storage for something this short. So you can put your skis in there, your luggage right there, anything long that goes in there. Close that. We got more storage here. I want to show you the generator location. So this is a 3200 watt quiet diesel generator. It comes standard with the LP generator. This one is an upgraded feature. It's Onan, so it's reliable. Let's swing to the back here. This unit has a ladder that goes on top. The top has a fiberglass roof. It's walkable as well. On top you'll have the AC, you have the solar panels on top, the ventilation as well. Follow me this way. Back of the camera. Along with the side cameras, you can drive this down the road with confidence. You can see behind you, you can see to the side of you as well. Tow hitch that's rated for 5,000 pounds with 500-pound vertical weight. So you can carry extra storage if you wanted to, if you're not towing anything. You have your 7-way plugs here. It's all there. Let's go this way. This is the other side of storage. And that is the king-size bed filler. I'll tell you about that when we get inside. Again, it's a lot of storage on this unit. This is where you have all the plumbing. It comes with a macerator on this one, so you can pump out the black tank uphill if you wanted to. Propane. You can have your propane shut off here, your water connection. Your valves, everything is located in a centralized area. Close that. You have your outside shower, your cable connection, water intake. It's just all right here. Very easy to get to. There's no slide to deal with on this one, so you're not going to bump your head on anything. Let's go this way. This is your 30 amp connection. When you get to that campsite, simple connection, twist, you're good to go. And then more storage. You want to put the sewer hose in there. Get it away from everything. Here you go. More storage. This is Class B plus, folks. Short unit, with a lot of storage. Let's head this way. Again, this is on the Mercedes 3.0-liter V6, 188 horsepower. Let's go ahead and go inside, and I'll show you the features on the inside. All right, we're in the cab area of this Leisure Travel 24 TB. I want to show you a lot of room on the inside here. Look at all that legroom. A lot of legroom. Here you'll have all the Mercedes standard stuff. Touchscreen audio controls with steering wheel controls as well. So if you want to pick up the phone, boom. Want to hang up, boom. And then here's your middle display buttons also. But look at the view that you get. The nose is tapered off. You're going to get to see a lot more going down the road. And this unit's so fuel efficient, you can go long ways with it. Leisure Travel provides you with the Ultra Leather. It is a manufactured leather that's been tested for duration, durability, and softness as well. So when you spill anything on here, it's not going to seep through the leather. It's going to bead off. It's very soft. Memory foam. Yeah. This unit will sleep a total of 3 people, 2 in the back, 1 in the front here if you wanted to. So the tabletop will just bridge across. When you park, you can put a table right here for dinner. But for sleep time, you can bridge this across, slide the cushions over. You have 1 sleeper here. Leisure Travel, you got the radius cabinetry, giving you extra room. These have the positive latches to it, so that way when you go down the road, it's not going to pop out on you. Nice Corian countertop. Look at this feature here. Garbage chute. For a small unit like this, that's nice to have. 2-burner cooktop. It's propane. And look at this curb. Very nice design here. It's like a residential style. More storage there. Look at that. Your water filter. You filter it from down there. And look at the skylight on this one. It's a cloudy day today, but it gives you a lot of light coming in. I don't even have the light turned on right now. Over here you have your controls. Let's turn this on. There you go. There goes the light. Your control centers are right here. Solar panel control. Suburban hot water system, so you can get hot water on demand on this unit. This one also features a stabilizing system. It's only 25 feet, but adding a stabilizer system to this helps a lot, so you're not going wobbling. This has the Magnum inverter on here, tank monitors are on here. Here is the button for the diesel generator. Nice feature to have. Your antenna for your TV. The AC is mounted on top. It's vented throughout. You won't see an AC that's gonna hit your head or anything. It's mounted on top, vented throughout. You get nice cool air coming out, and it has a heat pump as well. Right here you'll have your 3-way refrigerator. It utilizes propane, 12-volt power, and shore power as well. So your food is always going to be nice and cool. Microwave convection oven. So you can bake in it as well and brown your pizza. Just use it as a regular oven. But if you need it as a microwave, boom, just like simple as that. Come right around here. A lot of headroom left on this. I'm right on the pedestal, or the raise. I still have a lot of room. 5'8". I think I have about 4 more inches to go. Here's your twin bed. And then you can go ahead and bridge it together to make 1 single king bed. And look at all the storage you get. There, throughout, more here. Look at all this storage. And its radius, look at that, solid wood. Solid wood. Here you have your TV, of course. Who goes traveling without their TV? Wardrobe space for her. and more wardrobe space for her. You'll have additional storage underneath the bed in that and that compartment. And look at this, more storage space. We'll close this. You got reading lights, LED lights everywhere. And let's go ahead and take a look at this. This is the split bath. So that gives the opportunity for both parties to use the bathroom at one time. Somebody's taking a shower, somebody's over here doing, washing their hands. And it's a macerator. You can pump it uphill if you wanted to. Well, this is SOT. Give me a call at 253-286-0833. Thank you so much.